So the Saiga-12, let's talk about it. This thing is nice, man. This thing is nice. This piece right here locks the bolt back. We're running this stuff right here. We're gonna see if this bird shot's gonna run. See that mean ass muzzle brake. Hey, honestly, you could try to get me and like try to get the dirt mound so you can see all the dirt.
Yeah, I got you.
Flashing in the background.
Got you, kid. We get on this side so you can see it cycle.
Word. American flag. Made in America. Let's see if it works. Let's go. You think I should back dump it?
Oh, yeah.